marching into the night. They disappear to the left and right again. Another supper from a sack, a 99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watching my corn pop up in rows, every night be tucked in.
So every time we go camping and we're out in the wilderness, John always collects me some wildflowers and makes me a bouquet. It's super cute.
Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows.
It's starting to rain, but that's not stopping us from...
Yeah, buddy!
Sighting in my slug barrel so that I'm ready to go for deer season.
Perfect. We must have smelled
So
it.
what do you do when it's raining
I don't know.
and you go camping?
Right in the road. We can
Roman
pick it
Cokes
up with-
and hunting videos! Yeah! She's a cheater.
He's just mad because he's losing.
Well, I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are, and there's bars on the corners and bars on my heart. But I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows, every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows.
Or he's coming for you!